Good morning, Dr. Dan Yachter, the chiropractor. Happy Sunday, happy beautiful day, and hopefully everybody's up and moving, hitting the ground running. So I put something in the title of this video, Nishtana, and I'll explain what that is. So how's everybody's morning starting off here? Sunday morning, absolutely beautiful, beautiful day here in Central Florida, North Central Florida. We just came off a phenomenal cancer prevention masterclass. I invite you as part of the community. Everybody is welcome to these masterclasses. The feedback I got was great, and I applaud those who came out. If you came out, you know that it was a great learning experience, a great learning session. There's so much to learn, so much to grow in. We have patients who are sitting there who've been to 30, 40, 50 cancer prevention master classes, have been coming for 25 years, and they're still learning and growing and advancing in their health knowledge base. It just never stops because knowledge is always advancing, the information is always advancing, and each master class is different. So we ask you to come. We have anti-aging, slowing your aging process now, May 20th. May! Oh my gosh, it's going to be May soon. And my Barbados cherries are going to be blooming here, which is going to be great. I'm going to be getting, with just one of these, or actually I think it's about 2 or 3, you get a full supply, daily vitamin C right there. Acerola tree, or it's the Barbados cherry tree, delicious. Yesterday I actually had, I'm going to keep you posted here. Hey Cece, good morning. This is our mulberry tree, and ooh, those berries are good. They're dark. We're keeping them covered because we have a lot of wildlife out here and they like to steal our fruit. So until we can reap a bit of a harvest and enjoy the fruits of our labor, we're going to keep them covered. So we're going to enjoy them. But what I put in the title of this, Nishtana, and coming off of the Easter Passover season, of course, for Jews all over the world who celebrate Passover, when they sit down with their Haggadah, they look and read the 4 questions, traditional at Passover dinner. And Nishtana, Halayla Hazeh, Mikol Halelut, Shabakol Halalin, and it goes on. And basically what that is, it's the Hebrew for why is tonight different than all of the other nights that we celebrate throughout the year, right? Good morning, John. And so that's always spoken at Passover. Nishtana, Halayla Hazeh. Why is this night different than all others? And what we want to ask ourselves a question is really daily is, why is today going to be different than the last? Why am I doing what I'm doing? When it comes to health, let's just talk health in general, right? What is the why? So, number one, what is your plan, health-wise, right? Beyond just getting adjusted, if you're already doing that, obviously that's the core essence, the structure and the functional health. But beyond that, what are you doing? What is your plan? What is your health plan? I'm going to tell you, you can't have success without a plan. However, that plan must be driven by vision, right? Nishtana, why is today different than yesterday? Or the question I ask is, why am I going to remain steadfast and committed and focused on that vision today, and even strengthen that vision over yesterday, my health vision? What is it? Why is today going to be different? So if you have a plan, that's one thing. But what is the vision? Surgery went well and no follow-up, chemo needed. That's great. Awesome, John. We are praying for you every day. And I love getting your reports. Thank you for tuning me in there. All right, so getting healthy, staying healthy, building your health day by day, that's all predicated upon certainly having a strong strategy and game plan. But more importantly, it's having a vision, right? What is it? And so I charge you today to write down that vision. If you're not clear on it, or even if you are clear, you can get further clarity by writing it down. It's always good to write that down. Writing is a very powerful neurological stimulus. We're so used to just hitting smooth keyboards and even typing, but writing creates neurological tracks like nothing else can, right? So write it down, right? Write it down. What is your vision? I know for me, waking up every day, and again, I talked about this at the Cancer Masterclass, health is not a game of perfect, but having clarity helps you nail it most of the time. What are you doing for your health today? And why are you doing it? Why is your health a top priority? I know for me, it's very clear. Obviously, it's God, family. My mission at the office, staying healthy, is of utmost importance. Nurturing my health daily is of utmost importance. Getting adjusted regularly, having my spine checked regularly, eating well regularly, working out, movement, sleep. All these things are crucial, critical. Do I nail it 100% of the time? No, but I do have a clear vision that helps drive that strategy. So while strategy is way at the top, there's only one thing that's right above it, and that's the vision, right? I have young kids. I want to be able to keep up with them. I have a young family. I want to be able to keep up. Energy is a prime commodity. Well, I'm not going to have energy if I don't stay healthy, right? And I have to have a great game plan for that, but it all stems from the vision. So that's your homework. If you're listening now or later, take literally 10 seconds. And even though you may have it here, you need to codify it, write it down, put it down, establish that neurological track. The moment you write that kinesthetic effect on the brain, it will lay down new neurology, new neurological tracks or wires, or strengthen the ones that are already there. So write it down. What is that vision? Be clear on it, right? And if you're not exactly where you want to be with your health today, then carve out that vision of where you want to be. Health is not about quick fixes. Not about quick fixes, y'all. No matter what you do, and no matter what helps you get there quickly, whatever shortcut people take with their health, it will not be sustainable because the body does not operate off of shortcuts. It operates off of long-term sustainable lifestyle strategies that are tried and true. There's nothing under the sun. Those strategies have not changed in eons of time, and you have to employ them. And again, the body's so smart. We talk about this every single week. The body's so smart. It's brilliant. You have an innate wisdom, intelligence inside of your body. And when you work with it, not against it, it can do amazing things. More amazing than we're ever led to believe. So write it down. Get clarity. What is it? What is that vision that's going to drive strategy? And then the strategy is going to drive the manifestation of your results, your outcomes, right? That's how it kind of flows. So mark your calendars. May 20th. It's going to be anti-aging, slowing your aging process down. It's not actually anti-age. You can't stop aging or reverse it, but you could certainly slow it down to a great degree. Come learn with us on May 20th. Every workshop is on Tuesday, 6:30. And if you're unable to make it to this last masterclass, the Cancer Prevention Masterclass, then make sure you are on our email list. You'll get all the content, okay? If you're a patient, you should be on this list. So make sure you are getting, if you're not, direct message me, okay? Private message me and let me know if you are not getting our emails, our texts. We sent all this information out from the previous masterclass. Make sure you are receiving it, okay? Also, you can see a lot of the content, not the whole masterclass, but you can see a lot of it on YouTube as well if you look us up. But again, make sure that you are on our list so you can receive our content. It's free, and it's a full synopsis of everything that we cover at the masterclass. But of course, nothing can take the place of making to the masterclasses. And all of my patients who attend will tell you that. So mark your calendars, May 20th, slowing your aging process down. It's going to be a great one. And as always, appreciate you guys joining me this beautiful, beautiful Sunday morning. And I'm going to go to the other side of the yard here and grab myself a few blueberries for breakfast here and throw them in my shake. So everybody have a great day, and